We're known for three things. We're dependable, we're trustworthy, and consistent.
Well, personal relationship, that makes all the difference.
My name's Eddie Pickett. I'm the owner of Quality Cleaning Janitor Services here in Rock Hill.
I'm Ernest Brown. I'm the CEO of North Central Family Medical Center. We have been here in Rock Hill 31 years.
I went self-employed in 1980, and in 2007, we reorganized the business and formed Quality Cleaning Janitor Services. And we help clients who care about making a great first impression. That includes your restrooms, lobbies, and common areas.
Eddie and I just happened to have met about the same time I got here. We were both joining the Chamber of Commerce, and we were on certain things there where we met, and he was telling me about his cleaning business. I said, well, we can probably help you out there. So that collaboration has been going on almost the entire time we've been here.
Our service areas include York, Chester, Lancaster counties, and we're looking to expand in the Arrowwood area of Charlotte, North Carolina.
My place got to be clean every morning when my patients come in here to take care of those exam rooms, and everything has got to be ready for it. I can't expect it to not be ready because it's going to hurt my business.
As we tell a customer, we're going to be there at 2 o'clock the next day. We strive to be there at 2 o'clock.
The personal relationship helps the business relationship in this particular business because I guess he takes pride in his work and he wants to do a good job, and I want him to do a good job. And I've learned that if you can just continue to work together in spite of some differences you might have, it's going to be better for both of you.
Our mission statement, and it's Quality Cleaning Janitor Services, strives to become the premier cleaning service in the area, with customer satisfaction being the #1 priority.